Well, we're officially in severe weather season. In March, typically we see an increase in severe weather, and that's as this cold air clashes with the incoming warm, humid air coming up from the Gulf. Though this is the beginning of the season, the threat for tornadoes, thunderstorms, it is real, and we want to start to break down the numbers for you just so you have an idea of what is going on in the months ahead. So we have two really severe weather seasons. We go through spring and fall, and as we go through March, look at the number of average tornadoes by month. March, we see the number go up from 41 in February, clear up to more than 119 coming the month of March. This is data going back from 2010 to 2024. As we go in through April and May, more daytime heating and more in the way of dynamics supporting more tornadoes, and those numbers go up. But we do start to see the uptick, as we go through this month, as we go into severe weather season. We also expect this in places that we are highlighting from the Storm Prediction Center and areas that we're watching. Historically speaking, from 1950 to 2021, notice places like Texas, Oklahoma, all across the southeast. We see the numbers go up and the chance for the tornadoes going up across the southeast. We've got the cold air coming in from the north and, of course, that warm air coming in from the Gulf. Perfect setup for this region, right? When we break it down state by state for the month of March, Texas actually leads with an average of 15 tornadoes in the month of March. This goes back to 1999 to 2023 data. Not far behind is the state of Alabama with 9. The southeast, most of the southeast states, anywhere from 5 to 8 tornadoes is what we average here. So the numbers go up. Let's also talk about the monthly numbers, right, for the state of Texas, because Texas and Oklahoma are two states that we see the severe storm threat in the forecast for the next several days. Now, as we look at Texas specifically for the month of March, you average about 15 tornadoes. Notice how they go up as we go through April and into May before things start to die down for the rest of the season. That's a look at Texas. What about Oklahoma? Oklahoma, your numbers start to inch up. We see the numbers go up more so in April and May, but still you're averaging 4 tornadoes. And again, with a setup like this, I mean, you could even see some of those happen within one day. So this is your monthly average. Not only that, but look at the video below me, nocturnal tornadoes, storms that happen at night. When we go through this type of season and we've got the upper air dynamics, you don't need the daytime heating to support some of those storms. And you can see why it's so difficult. Man, look at the video there. It's tough this time because, Britta, a lot of us have let our guard down. We've gone to sleep. And when you're talking nocturnal tornadoes, you can't even see it. So it's difficult to see where it's coming from. The numbers go up to 566, more so in April and May, but this is a big concern for nighttime storms.
Well, the biggest challenge is getting folks' attention because they are sleeping. So the key to safety when it comes to nighttime tornadoes is knowing that you have a tornado watch issued before you go to bed. If there is a watch in effect, sleep in your safe spot, be in the lowest level of your house, keep your kids together so it's easier to respond when the morning lights up on your phone because you don't have a lot of time.
Yeah, and it's tough. A lot of these nocturnal tornadoes also lead to death, sadly, because we're asleep. We don't get the notifications. And where you are also depends. And a lot of us have mobile homes, which are manufactured up to the late 70s. Then we went to manufactured homes. They're a little more sturdy. But regardless of what kind of home you're in, that could also lead to some injuries and deaths because of the sturdiness of the home, too.